Yes.
Okay, this is elevator. Okay, this. Oh, okay. So this will be interesting. It's a three. It's a 3-speed door.
Who's John?
Imagine if it was a 6-speed door.
What if it's 12-speed door? Imagine that 74-speed door.
All right, here we go. It's.
Oh, hell yeah.
Chill. This campus. This might be my new favorite camp.
Motor pitch. Hold on.
Ooh, that's a nice motor though. I was laughing.
Angelic ass motor, bro.
It's only 1, 2, 3, 4. I can count. Look at that. Be proud of me.
I'm proud of you for knowing how to count.
That was a nice motor though. I'll have to retake this at some point.
Damn it, I can't count. Wait, what?
This one has a higher capacity.
You mean to tell me that you cannot count?
This elevator C on the Courtyard.
This cat is over here questioning all of my life decisions right now.
Cats tend to do that.
I like this elevator. This is cool. I like this elevator. 3-speed door.
Imagine a 6-speed.
There
What
goes.
a 7-speed door?
And that's it.
Imagine